In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of any image fast in Gimp. We'll be using the free image editor Gimp, so make sure you have it installed and open on your computer before we begin. Once Gimp is ready, start by opening the image whose background you want to change. You can do this by going to the File menu at the top left, then choosing Open, and selecting your image from your files. Give it a moment to load, and you should see your image appear on the main canvas. The basic idea is that we're going to select the background area, remove or isolate it, and then replace it with a new color. How easy this is depends a little on how complex your background is. But this method works well for many images, especially if there's a clear contrast between your subject and the background. First, look at the toolbox on the left side of the screen. You want to choose a selection tool that fits your image. If the background is mostly one solid color, the Fuzzy Select tool, which looks like a magic wand, works really well. Click that tool, then click on the background area in your image. Gimp will automatically select areas with similar colors. If it doesn't grab enough of the background, you can hold Shift and click other parts of the background to add to the selection. If your background is more complicated, you may want to try the free Select tool, which lets you draw around your subject, or the Foreground Select tool, which helps you highlight the subject and separates it from the background. Take your time to refine the selection. Zoom in if necessary so you can see the edges clearly. A clean selection makes your final result look much more professional. Once you're happy with the selected background, we'll put it on its own layer. Go to the Layer menu, choose New Layer, and make sure it's filled with transparency. Move this new layer below your original image layer in the Layers panel. Now, with the background still selected on your image layer, you can either delete that area or add a layer mask to hide it. This will let the transparent layer show through behind your subject. Finally, click on the transparent layer, go to the Edit menu, and choose Fill with FG Color or BG Color. Depending on which color you've set, you can change that color by clicking the color swatch in the toolbox and choosing any shade you like. Once filled, your image will now have a new, solid background color behind your subject. When you're satisfied, go to File, then Export As, and save your new image.